In this film, we'll take you on a journey from ostrich farming to crafting the world's finest leather jackets and bags. It's crucial they have access to fresh water and this specialized feed. It's high in protein and calcium, essential for their growth.
We monitor the temperature closely, maintaining 37.5 degrees Celsius.
As you can see, the chick is very active today. We've checked the temperature and the heart rate. Both are perfectly normal.
We administer this vaccine annually to prevent common diseases and ensure the well-being of the birds. Next, we will apply the ear tag for identification.
Make sure these are sorted by length before bagging.
Yes, the long ones go here, shorter ones over there.
After applying the tag, we log the unique identifier, like this, ID 001, into the main registry.
So we start by sweeping all the waste towards the center, making sure to sanitize the feeders afterwards. It's a daily routine.
We're guiding the current group into the holding pen now. The next phase, the transfer to processing, which we handle very carefully. Clear the ramp, we're bringing the next one up.
Securing the side gate now.
All right, they're all in, close it up.
All right, that's the last one. Shut the gate. Copy that. Gate closing.
We carefully inspect the skin quality before weighing. This tag ensures full traceability throughout the process.
Alkaline treatment softens and removes residual fats.
This one has good tensile strength.
Yes, the texture is excellent. We can grade this as a premium hide.
We use a mild solution to deeply clean and preserve the ostrich skin.
We just received fresh ostrich hides from our farm.
The texture on this batch looks excellent.
Yes, the soaking is going well today. This step softens the hide for deeper cleaning.
We soak the skins to soften fibers for processing.
We clean every hide gently before chemical treatment.
Controlled drying is essential. It allows us to carefully monitor the temperature and humidity, which directly preserves the skin's natural quality and texture. This makes the skin supple and ready for processing.
We lighten the skins for uniform color in leather products.
We check the quill marks very carefully. See this spot here, that's a minor defect we need to grade down. Overall, the quality is excellent.
We ensure uniform thickness for quality leather.
The key is the absorption into the quill bumps. We're aiming for a very specific warm brown, allowing the golden undertones to really shine through when polished.
The final sheen is absolutely crucial for the quality of the ostrich skin. It enhances the texture and gives it that professional look.
This batch here is ready for the automated cutting. Make sure the texture on these lighter ones is noted.
This is what we look for in a grade A skin. The follicles are deep and evenly spaced, giving it that rich texture and golden highlight.
The key is in the preparation. We smooth every wrinkle to ensure the cutting precision is absolutely perfect for the final product.
When working with exotic leather like ostrich, precision is paramount. Every quill bump must be accounted for in the pattern layout.
The cut on this ostrich skin is perfect. We need to maintain this consistency for the jackets.
As you can see, we have to be very careful to follow the pattern exactly. This ensures the quality of the final product.
To ensure an efficient workflow, organization is crucial. We meticulously sort the pieces now, which streamlines the sewing process significantly.
When working with exotics like ostrich, precise alignment is crucial for a seamless finish.
Precision is everything with this material. See how the pattern matches the center line? That ensures a perfect fit. What makes this leather so special are these natural quill bumps.
So for cutting leather, you'll need a few things. These shears are great for curves, but for straight lines, nothing beats a sharp. The key to a perfect finish is precision. Every single mark you see here directly impacts the final shape of our leather goods.
We organize everything by type first. The coats here, the bags there. It saves so much time. And these patterns, they always make me smile.
Proper tension and threading are crucial for clean stitching, especially with this heavy leather. Make sure it's seated correctly. See this corner here? It's a tricky one, but perfect alignment is crucial for that luxury finish. It just takes a little patience.
This meticulous stitching process is what guarantees both the durability and the elegance of the final product.
And this is how the coat starts to take shape. Getting these seams aligned just right, especially the curved ones, is always the hardest part.
By checking every seam like this, we catch defects before they ship. I learned that the hard way when I first started. Trust me.
You see, this precise stitching is crucial for the fit and durability, especially around these tricky curves.
Now we attach the interior lining. This step is crucial as it greatly improves the comfort and the overall finish of the coat.
This attachment point is crucial for the strength. I still laugh thinking about the mistakes we used to make here, but now we've perfected it.
This adjustment here prevents any tearing. You wouldn't believe the messes I used to make before I figured this out.
The beauty of this decorative stitching is how it elevates the luxury feel. Every trim is placed by hand.
We check every detail. Sometimes it's fun spotting tiny imperfections. And then he said, "That's not my rivet gun." Oh man, you are too much, Shirley. That is the best one yet. Every product deserves a royal treatment. We treat every coat and bag as if it's for a VIP customer.
Careful, these are treasures.
Feels like packing jewels.
Each box must arrive in perfect condition. Any scratch is unacceptable.
Sometimes it's hard work, but seeing everything lined up perfectly is rewarding.
It's tough work, 10-hour shifts sometimes, but we enjoy seeing the final product shine.
Everything is ready. Off to our boutique.
If you follow me, I can show you the bespoke options.
This grain finish is exquisite. I'll take it.